Yo, what's up, people? It's your boy here, Mr. Kyle, Mr. Kill GR30 every day. You already know. So many of you have been asking me how to use the Bailey system, ne? And I think Bailey's instructions that he shared in the group are not really that honest. There's something I had in feeling that this guy is hiding. So I had to run into some things like how he placed his entries, like even before he placed his entries. And then that's when I actually find out that this guy is actually using this kind of method, not my kind of, not he or the method that he posted about. Not sure why would he not tell us the whole truth about it, if maybe he's lazy or something. But as you can see, this guy looks like he doesn't know Forex at all, as we all can see. But I've digging deep into it, and shout out to Soil Quest over there from Telegram for giving me this tip also, because we also ran into this, both of us ran into this secret. So this is how you use the Bailey system, né? So I'm not currently connected to the internet, but you guys should be able to understand what's going on. So this is how he does it, né? Over here I've made a volatility 75 H1 and a volatility 75 M50. So this is what happens, né? Let me look for a signal that will go. So he said that if you want to take a trade, it takes a trade over here. When it's on the green zone, it takes buy signals. So for example, he took a trade, let's say for instance, I'll just say here, he took a trade over here, and then up he goes, and he goes, and it should be continuing all the way up, if then there's no sell signal over there. So that he claimed that, yeah, that is true, but there is something that he didn't tell you, that we found out. So we saw that this guy was always posting, like when he posts the results, he's always showing H1 and M15. Why would he recommend us H1 when he's showing screenshots of M15 in some way? So this is how he does it, né? For example, a signal pops up over here saying bullish engulfing. Now when that signal pops up, you guys probably wonder, this also goes to MetaTrader for Bailey. The MetaTrader for Bailey does not repaint. These things don't repaint. Doesn't matter if it's originally from him or not. They do not repaint, guys. I've actually found this secret, and I found that it doesn't actually repaint. So over here, you see the signal over here. It says bullish engulfing. Bullish. We're going to. It was a buy, ne? It was a buy. So as soon as this signal appeared, this bullish signal appeared, it appeared on H1. He went to M15 to go and look at where that signal appeared. For example, if this signal appeared over here, for example, it appeared here at bullish PC. Now this is what he does. After he appeared, he waits for it to form one candle. He waits for it to form the second candle. If this thing hasn't disappeared by the second candle, or probably the third candle, and then he's going to take a trade, it's confirmed as a signal. Now you probably just saw this bullish engulfing, and then simply like that you just open the trade, and then boom, and then it disappears. You don't know why this disappeared. You don't know how to confirm. This is what he does, guys. He goes to a signal appears, bullish engulfing, for example. It appears. He goes to M15 to look at where that signal appeared and look at the current candle running on where the signal appears. For example, let's say it appeared here compared to here. You see over here we got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles going down over there. So over there he waited for the first candle, the second candle, and then this thing didn't disappear, which means this thing will also will not disappear. Also, it's fully a signal of bearish engulfing, the full signal of bearish engulfing of sell, for instance. So this is how this guy uses the Bailey system, guys. That is the instructions that I know about. If you guys also want me to do how to install instructions, I'll also do that, and I'll also be showing some other videos of the stuff that I bought, not stuff that I got for free, because of course the person who sent it to me for free doesn't also know the instructions. We didn't get it from the owner. It's just something hanging around. But then if it's a possibility where we could find something, information on how to use it, I will upload a video over there in the Telegram instructions group. So guys, this is how you use the belly system. Let me repeat once more again. He goes to H1. When a signal appears, he goes to M15 to confirm with a few candles if that signal will not disappear. As soon as it didn't disappear, he opens a trade. So that's as easy as that, guys. As easy as that. Try to practice what I said. So far, I haven't tested this thing. I've tried to test it, but it was a very short signal, so I wasn't really that happy. It was a short signal. I haven't been using this system because, guys, I don't use other people's systems that much unless if I'm trying to test for maybe 2 or 3 days. I respect my systems. I use my systems. I'm supporting my hard work that I built. So in my own opinion, I still think my system is perfect for me. I still also think belly is good, but then I still prefer my system at all times. So guys, this is your boy over here, Mr. Kyle, Mr. Kill GR30 every day. You already know it. I'll be dropping more videos if I find something. If then I think this is not accurate, I'll be looking deep into some ends until I find something accurate. Peace out.